Feta in Greece is a very old story. In the 8th century BC, Homer described in his Odyssey how Ulysses, shipwrecked on the mythical land of the Cyclops, saw pots, tubs, and churns, and woven baskets filled with cheese kept by the Cyclops Polyphemus in his cave. The way Polyphemus kept cheese in animal skins is reminiscent of the production method of the cheese known today as feta. The name feta, literally slice, came into use in the 19th century and probably comes from the practice of slicing cheese in order to place it in barrels. Feta is a valuable dietary product, with even small quantities containing almost all of milk's nutritional value. For centuries, feta has been produced in the same basic way, but its origins are lost in time. Throughout the ages, feta has remained an integral part of the Greeks' daily diet, and traditionally, feta and bread made from freshly ground wheat have formed the basis of the Greek diet and are present at every meal. Feta today has been registered as a protected designation of origin cheese as part of the European Union's philosophy regarding the protection of geographic origin and local production methods. ΔΩΔΩΝΗ's milk industry is the largest feta, PDO, production company, possessing a unique production philosophy characterized by the values of environmental purity, traditional taste, modern accredited technology, protected designation of origin, and seal of quality. It all begins in Epirus, Greece's most northwestern corner. This is a region of particular natural beauty and one of the last remaining places in Europe unspoiled by modern civilization's negative consequences, namely pollution. Animal herds are bred in environmentally clean areas, a fact that gives the raw material the necessary purity for the production of truly pure dairy and cheese products. ΔΩΔΩΝΗ was founded here in 1963 by the Agricultural Bank and by Epirus's agricultural cooperatives. To collect milk from the 9,500 producers that are spread throughout 480 communities, 6 main collection and pre-refrigeration stations have been built. Milk is collected here from the dozens of collection points that can be found even in the smallest community, and carried to ΔΩΔΩΝΗ's main installations in company-owned isothermic tankers in order to preserve its freshness and ensure the perfect quality of ΔΩΔΩΝΗ products. Once the milk has been checked at ΔΩΔΩΝΗ's fully equipped chemical laboratory and then pasteurized, it is allowed to set on a moving, semi-cylindrical belt at a temperature ideal for cheese making. After the curd is cut up and placed in molds, it is allowed to drain on moving belts. The pieces are then salted and turned over, maintaining the traditional method of feta cheese making in the world's largest and most modern feta production line, with a capacity of 300 tons of sheep and goat's milk daily. Following that, the cheese is placed into metal containers filled with brine and allowed to mature. After 2 months, it is then ready for distribution. The entire production process is ISO certified and conforms to HACCP standards, Community Guideline 9246, and the International Food Safety and Hygiene Standard BRC 2002. ΔΩΔΩΝΗ has a production capacity of 15,000 tons of feta cheese annually, in molds bearing its logo and company brand name. The company brand is placed onto the cheese so that consumers can easily distinguish its origins. In this way, ΔΩΔΩΝΗ has managed to develop brand recognition for a product traditionally sold over the counter. Dodoni feta is exported to over 20 countries and is unquestionably the best-known Greek cheese brand. The very word Dodoni has now become internationally synonymous with feta.